In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the fonts in your Jotform. If you want to give your form a fresh professional look, customizing your font is one of the quickest ways to do it. Let's walk through the process in a simple and clear way. Start by opening your browser and searching for Jotform. Once you're on the official website, log into your account so you can access the form builder. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It only takes a moment. After logging in, open the specific form you want to edit. This will take you into the Jotform Form Builder, where all the design tools are available. On the right side of the screen, look for the paint roller icon. This is the Form Designer, and it's where you will control your form's visual style. Click the paint roller icon to open the designer, then switch to the Styles tab. This tab contains all your font and layout options. Scroll down until you see the menu labeled Font. This is where you can choose from the full list of fonts Jotform offers. Take a moment to browse the options and select the one that matches your form's personality, whether you prefer something clean and modern or something more bold and eye-catching. As soon as you click your preferred font, Jotform applies the change instantly. There's no need to manually save anything because Jotform saves your edits automatically while you work, ensuring nothing gets lost. And that's all it takes. You've now customized your Jotform font in just a few simple steps. Feel free to experiment with different styles until your form looks exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.